guitar, please. Right guitar, little bit higher.
As they are gearing up, just a quick reminder to let you know that we are telecasting live again once more in ISTV Network in Fall. Whoever can't make it to the venue, you can go to YouTube, search for ISTV Network in Fall, and you can watch live over there. Thank you. Đi thay là tất cả loại này. Thao cùng rồi na, tiếng sinh ở quang tăng ngắm bằng bấm mấy của mình này đi thay. ISTV Network in Fall to me tuang channel YouTube channel the live tao tao panabam high telecast sunabame nang ni ranim mi khautai zalo no way.
All right, are we guys ready? I said, are we guys ready? You want some rock? You want some rock? All right, let's do this. Come on, let's have some fun tonight, hey? In the mirror, I see what I face. I barely recognize the lines that trace back to another time when I just wanted it all. And the years will fly like a bird uncaged from the clear blue skies to darker days we never realize. And the moment it could be gone. And as we go meet the ultimate sin, oh, just give me time. 'Cause we're here today, gone tomorrow, searching for some higher meaning. Life again, and time is borrowed. 'Cause we're here today, gone tomorrow. was a time when my life was easy, stretched out in the sun. Everything was clover, the world was off my shoulders for a while. Then the buzz of the bomb first shaded, hit me like a gun. It passed with flying colors, there's no flying over the storm. Sometimes we get swept away, we're forced to take the change. The desert gives you comfort, you can't stay here all your life. Underneath as the tempest rage, your secrets come undone. The mountains need moving, let me help you through. You guys having some fun? You guys having some fun? All right. Okay, thank you so much for having us tonight. And we'll sing this song. And as we sing this song, if you guys know the song, you're free to join along, all right? Can I get a yay? I say, can I get a yay? Xuân thời ta xuân thuở đây. I could stay awake just to hear you breathing. Watch you smile while you're sleeping, while you're far away and dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. Well, every moment spent with you is the moment I treasure. Come on! I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a day. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest thing will never do, I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a day. Lying close to you, feeling your heart beating, and I'm wondering what you're dreaming, wondering if it's me you're seeing. And then I kiss your eyes, and they got red together. And I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever, forever and ever. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a day. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream will never do, I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a day. And I don't wanna miss one smile, and I don't wanna miss one kiss. I just wanna be with you, right here with you, just like this. And I just wanna hold you close, I feel your heart so close to mine, and to stay here in this moment for all the rest of time. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a day. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest thing will never do, I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a day. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't want to fall asleep, yeah. I don't wanna miss a day. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest thing will never do, I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a day. All right, thank you so much for having us tonight, and we hope to see you again next year. Have fun.
Hello. Good evening. Guy meetings in. New Kong Freebird Band ด้วยนะส่วนจุยนะส่วนเรากันเองแต่เอามาทั้งเขาควรนะบ้าไม่อกุลนะบ้าไม่ Brahmos mi hai perform slaudapani. BrahMos is a popular Northeast band. As the name suggests, they aims to portray its powerful emotions like that of any supersonic missile through music. The band has released its first official Hindi song, Tar Payengi, and other cover versions of Hindi hits in their official YouTube channel. The band's range of genres is flexible and reflects multiple genres like country, blues, Hindi, rock and roll, etc. The band member includes KG Semi, vocals, Imti Julu, vocals, Angap Gapgang, vocals, Krila, guitar, Kennedy Chiru, guitar, Tia Foam, bass, Kekri Zuvichu, drums. Shall we all welcome the band BrahMos on stage to rock the Tamenglong Orange Festival.
Hello, people of Tamenglong. It's so good to see you all with the BrahMos band. We are so fortunate to be here this evening. Thank you so much for having us. The first song will be singing a Hindi song. So if you know the song, you can join us. Okay?
जिस तरह
Thank you. Okay, One Love at a Time by Tanya Tak. It makes me weak and in a hurry. All night long I lay and worry. I'm so afraid that I'm gonna talk in my sleep. Who do I love? Who am I using? Which one is sweet? Which gets so confusing. I've got to choose one and set the other one free. One love at a time, it's all I can handle. Burning both ends of the candle can drive you insane. One love in your heart and one love on your mind. It can tear it all apart. I just need one love at a time. One's got the birthday, it's in December. Which one's in July? I can't remember. I get them mixed up. What am I gonna do? It keeps me uptight, driving me crazy. They're both believing, they're both my baby. Sometimes I wonder who's paying the due. One love at a time, it's all I can handle. Burning both ends of the candle can drive you insane. One love in your heart and one love on your mind. It can tear it all apart. I just need one love at a time. Yes, it can tear it all apart. I just need one love at a time. Thank you. I would like to call my friend Angap on the stage. Hello, check. Okay, so the song singing now is dedicated to Sir
Deputy Commissioner of Tamenglong and his family, Sir Pawan Yadav. So this is for you.
Thank you so much, Tamenglong, for the shout out. We are so glad to be here. This is such a big opportunity for us to perform in this, wonderful, the most renowned festival in Northeast, right? So thank you so much for making us to be a part of this. We are so excited to perform for all of you. I hope you're gonna sing with us, right? You're gonna sing along with us, dance along with us. If you wanna shout, shout it. Yeah, so for the next song, I would like to call upon my partner. So people, do you want to listen to Hindi or to English? English, Hindi. Okay, we have the package, okay, both the Hindi and English for you, so I hope you enjoy the evening. Okay, so sing along with us. Come on, people, make some noise. वो चली she found a love that's real. Now her wounded heart is still. Finally, वो चली, leaving all her tears behind. Only love's on her mind. Finally. Though she tries, but she can hide all her joy wrapped up inside. She can't wait to reveal and tell you how she feels. Well, this time it feels so right. There'll be no more lonesome night. Good times are here to stay. Love will shine on every day. Watch her leave. She's found a love that's real. Now her wounded heart is healed. Finally. Watch her leave, leaving all her tears behind. Only love's on her mind. Finally. In my heart there is some pain. Don't ask me why, I can't explain. Maybe I didn't love her too. Now there's nothing I can do. On the other side of time, her love is waiting on. Ashes way with me goodbye. I think my heart is gonna cry. Watch her leave. She's found a love that's real. Now her wounded heart is healed. Finally. Watch her leave, leaving all her tears behind. Only love's on her mind. Finally. Watch her leave, देखो प्यार की गली, उसे रोके ना कोई. वो चली, ना मेरी जान, देखो जाना ना वहाँ. कोई प्यार का लुटेरा मेरी जान. Whoa, thank you so much. So another one Hindi number for you. People at the side, you can stand up and dance with us. This is the time to celebrate, right? This is a festive season, so I think you should stand up and shout and sing with us. Just feel free, just loosen up, okay?
Llega hoy tan de repente y la sentido la vida con tu querer.
Now me जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेñorita, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है señorita.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो ओ समझीना हाँ señorita.
चाहत के दो पल भी जुदाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या? दो पल को तो आओ हो जाए, पूरे हम होता गम है क्या señorita? सुनो señorita, ये हम क्या?
Come on, potrai interpretar
sé कहीं अरमानों की दास्तां है सेनोरिटा चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में खिंचवा है सेनोरिटा
मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो आओ पास तुम मेरे मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो हंस जीना ओ सेन्योरिटा
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए भूले हम होता गम है क्या सेनोरिटा सुनो सुनो सेनोरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या जो भी पल बीता है सेनोरिटा हर पल है क्यों जीता बस इतनी सी तो बात है
know that vi è la mirada che dà dessergave me मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो तो समझीना ओ सेन्योरिटा
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए भूले हम होता गम है क्या चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए भूले हम होता गम है क्या सेनोरिटा सुनो सुनो सेनोरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या
Okay, so people, are you ready to rock and roll? Okay, so let's do some rock and roll. Sleeping with you. Because I feel it deep in my heart. They say we're young and wild, but we should wait for a while. But nothing's gonna keep us apart. But I don't think believing in sin, so we can give up, we can give in. Because our love is strong and we can be wrong, and it feels so right. Come on. So I'll be sleeping with you tonight. We'll be together tonight. Well, I don't care if it's wrong or right. I'll be sleeping with you. I'm sleeping with you tonight. Well, let's give it a try. I know we'll get by because our love's enough to see us through. Well, if we take a chance, we can make it a last. I know that it's the right thing to do. But I don't think believing in sin, so we can give up, we can give in. Because our love is strong and we can be wrong, and it feels so right. Come on. So I'll be
I hope you're enjoying, right? Okay, one more number for you. You're gonna jump for this song, I know that. It's My Life.
Sing a song for the broken-hearted, for silent prayers for the faith departed. And I am gonna be just a place in the crowd. You gotta hear my voice when I shout it out loud. Come on. It's my life, it's now or never. I am gonna live forever. I just wanna live a long life. My heart is like an open highway, like practicing I did it my way. I just wanna live a long life. It's my life. This is for the one who stood their ground. For Tommy and Gina, never back down. Tomorrow's getting harder, make no mistake. Look at it enough, you're gonna make your own break. Come on. It's my life, now or never. I am gonna live forever. I just wanna live a long life. My heart is like an open highway, like practicing I did it my way. I just wanna live a long life. It's my Never stand tall when they're calling you out. Don't break, baby, don't break down. It's my life, it's now or never. I am gonna live forever. I just wanna live a long life. My heart is like an open highway, like Frankie said I did it my way. I just wanna live a long life. It's my life. It's now or never. I am gonna live forever. I just wanna live a long life. My heart is like an open highway, like Frankie said I did it my way. I just wanna live a long life. It's my life.
Okay, I will sing another song for you if you make some noise. Can you make some noise, people? Yeah, come on, we come all the way from Nagaland just to hear the scream. You can make it better. Come on, make it louder. Make some noise, everybody. Oh, Tamenglong, I love you so much. You people are so great. I love you too.
Midnight, get on tired, where are you? You said you meet me, now it's quarter to 2. I know I'm hating, but I'm still
Okay, people, I would like to now call upon my other partner for the song. Okay, so can I take a break for 2 minutes, people? Yeah, I'll be back.
So, are you all enjoying? Are you all having fun? This song will be the last song from our side.
Here come all flat top pickup, grooving up slowly. He got juju eyeball, he was holy roller. He got head down to his knee. Got to be a joker, he just do what
guys are amazing. Angap will come and take the stage. Okay, let me sing one more song for you all. It's so easy. It's a country song.
I'm back again. Okay, so I'm here for the last time, and I want to say thank you so much to all of you for coming here and also, encouraging us. We will always, wish the best for Tamenglong, okay? And thank you so much for having us. Okay, so before we leave, we just want to sing one song. So what song do you want us to sing? Sorry? Okay, so we'll sing one last song for you, Gazab Kahinan. Okay? So move with us, sing with us.
Ye diwana pan, dekho zara.
applause once again for the Brahmos បានហ៊ានស៊ីនៅហ៊ីវឡងតខTemanglang, are you there? Yes. Thank you, Brahmos. We really love you. Temanglang love you. And we are looking forward to have you again and again in the years to come. It was really a jaw-dropping performances from the Brahmos. Thank you so much, the Brahmos band. And now we have the Arogya band to rock the stage next. Arogya is the first dark scene rock act from Northeast India and been active in the music scene since 2014. At the cutting edge of a unique dark wave genre, blending dark scene with modern rock and heavy metal. The band has created deep, powerful, and genuine music, bringing a new exciting flavor to the arena. Arogya first started out as an independent avant-garde Nepali arena rock band with 2 self-titled original albums under their belt. Arogya has since evolved in their songwriting and composition style, coming up with a new 3rd album in English under the German record label Out of Line Music, together with German producer and vocalist of Lord of the Lost, Chris Arms. They set out to create a new sensory experience for the audience. The result is a new sound with fusion of modern rock elements, electronic, pop, metal, and industrial, which is very different from what can be found in the current music scene. Lineup are Rain vocal, Mr. G guitar, Denok, Nishan drums, Rui percussion, Pawan guitar. Arogya to me band hai kaniu tuang album kanai hai ko mapat law na ba me kahau rai khau kaniu han Nepali arena rock bands na bam khone self titled Arogya to na phung bam khone kaniu ro na composed suwe kani tao hai kaniu tuang 3rd album hai English khau kani German don record label khau German me tong producer kani vocalist Lord of the Lost Chris Arms kazal la na kani tong 3rd album hai record salaw na bamami no ne komla na kani na ready salaw na bami da khau hai ani goi hai kani to riu law khang samdan na bam kho
Arogya, the name of the band Arogya, in Sanskrit means health or healing, which is what they aim to do with their music, healing and mending the broken. The songs are inspired by personal experiences of band members and social issues pertaining to reality, spiritual connections, heartbreak, betrayal, suicide, love, and other emotions. With every lyric they pen down, they aim to spread messages of awareness among the masses. According to them, they say, they thought of doing so many things, but the COVID pandemic brought things to stand still for some time. But here we are tonight, Rocking the stage will be Arogia, who is the first ever dark synth band. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to welcome and present to you the band Arogia. Arogia to me hai Sanskrit dong lat khao Hills lau mai Ramagai tu thai Tigai lau mai Khat ni pum gai ro ri gai mai tu na sa khon ai Kaniu tong lu khroina kaniu tong music khroina Tigai khang Ramagai thai pum gai ro ri gai na lung khang tu mai kaniu ma chut mai nai ai tu na sa Lung ning kabiu na bam mai Ramagai tu thai lung ning bak na bam mai Bu mak la connection mak nga bam mai azu kwe ti hai ti nai lau da khang tu na kani tu music ro kani phung khang swai tu na sai hai kum liki kani ru na swana bam tu lyric azu kwe hai kani ro na kha personal experiences kani ko pat na bam mai tu ka khau pat na bam mai ha mai tu thai ani khau social issues na nai na bam mai tu azu kwe correct la good liki kani hai kani tu lyric hai ka siap mai tu na sai Rain, who happens to be one of the founding members of Arogia, who has always been passionate about music right from his early years. He loved taekwondo, but had to give up the martial art owing to severe injury that he once sustained. It was then that the martial artist turned into a full-time musician, and then there was no looking back from that point. Kaniu tong founding members akhat Rain to mi pu hai kamai rona taekwondo chama galau gan khau su thau to nge ko mi chau tiki ka khau injury ka biu ka bang mai pat bizang khona kamai taekwondo hain thak lau lena musician suni thai lu suan mai suni thai tan kamai su thau to nge hai kum mai tang trena kamai khatni regret manga kamai hai ta music khau full time involved na kamai ba me Ting six ni kaloi na sadare zian mai tameng long mai nonun goi rona Orange Festival ti hai ma chuang mai khani support samai suna bam hai guangdong patik la bam ta hauna tameng long district administration khani organizing committee pai na nai lo mai da da kaloi pitung nge the Tameng Long district administration along with the organizing committee welcomes each and every one of you to the second night of the 17th Orange Festival 2022. For the love and support that you have given to us, the organizing committee expresses their thankful gratitude to all of you. I hope it will be a great fun night tonight. The night is still young, and right after the music and the rock show is over, we shall watch the World Cup finale together tonight. So stay with us tonight and have a wonderful time, everyone.
Check. Hey, check. Cool.
Check.
Check. Hey. Hello.
Check.
Hello, check. Zulfi, we are starting.
Go for it.
on, let me hear you scream! Make some noise! Let me hear you scream!
We are Arogya from Guwahati. Let's have a lot of fun tonight together, yeah? Let's do this!
Let me hear a scream, come on! It's really cold in here, so we need more warm. Welcome. Okay, so the next song that we're gonna do for you guys, this song is called Broken. And this song is about a love that can never be detached. Someone you love so deeply from your heart that no one can separate you ever apart. Make some noise. I can't hear you guys. Come on, you guys can do it better. Come on. I can't see any hand up there. Are you guys having fun? Well, I hope most of you guys know this song pretty well because we guys were like inspired by this song when we were like teenagers. Well, we want to dedicate this song to all of you. And this one's called Tears Don't Fall by Bullet for My Valentine.
Tamenglo, let us see your hands up in the air. Can you do that? Here we go. Put them up, 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 up.
Let's go! Bloodshot eyes, I watch you sleeping. The romance still inside me is slowly fading. Will she hear me if I call her name? Will she hold me if she knew my shame? There's always someone fucking going on. Sometimes I walk in the wrong direction. There's always someone fucking hanging out. Can anybody help me make this better? Your tears don't fall, they crash around me. Her conscience calls the guilty to come home. Your tears don't fall, they crash around me. Her conscience calls the guilty to come home. The moment I hear no screaming, feel the breath inside me is slowly fading. Would she help me if I call her name? Would she hold me if she knew my shame? There's always something fucking going on. Sometimes I walk in the wrong direction. There's always someone fucking hanging out. Can anybody help me make this better? Your tears don't fall, they crash around me. Her conscience call, you're guilty to come home. Your tears don't fall, they crash around me. Her conscience call, guilty to come home.
wrong direction. There's always someone fucking hanging on. Can anybody help me make things better? Your tears don't fall, they crush around me. Our conscience call, you're guilty to come home. Your tears don't fall, they crash around me. Our conscience call, guilty to come home. Your tears don't fall, they crash around me. Our conscience call, guilty to come home. Your tears don't fall, they crash around me. Our conscience call, guilty to come home. You guys are amazing! Well, before we start the song, we released this song a few weeks back from Out of Line channel. That's our label from Germany. So, if you guys haven't heard the song yet, just go to YouTube and or Spotify, anywhere you are, you can just type Supernatural by Arogya. You can hear the song. So right now, we're gonna play the song for you guys. stream straight right into my aching heart, corrupt everything that I am. My soul to be we need some technical help out here. Can we get someone on the drums, please?
All right, Tamenglong. Let's have some fun, yeah? Let's go.
Biggest boss when I've been in Trillis. I'm a bigger
I want you guys
problem
to
when I
bounce!
cook with Skrillex. Murder on my mind, it's time to pray to God. My revolver's not religion, the revolution. You wanna know my name and go and tell us all. You wanna know my game, Suicide Squad. Pistol on my waist, I might make a mistake. Headshot, oh my God, in my grave. Drugs every corner, this is not the city. Killer truck, can't kidnap you to turn out your kidney. Ain't no mercy, got that purple Lamborghini lurking. Rose, so you know that's worth it. Flooded Rolex at the Grammy Awards. They still selling dope, that's those Miami boys. Killers everywhere, ain't no place to run. Forgive me for my wrongs, I have just begun.
Thank you, Tamingong. God damn it! Hey, check. All that Tamingong, make some noise, let me hear you scream!
Tamingong, you can be louder than this, come on!
We have prepared something really special for you guys tonight, but we will need your help on this one. But firstly, I want to say thank you, Tamingong, and everyone for inviting Arugya to your beautiful place. Thank you so much for having us on board. First things first, make some noise for France. Anyone? No?
For Argentina.
Let's hear it once more. Anyone for France? Anyone for Argentina?
I think Argentina is much louder.
Here's even a better one. Make some noise for Tamingong! We need your help on this one. This is our tribute to our hero in Linkin Park, Chester Bennington. Please help us on this one. Sing it! I've become so numb.
Everyone!
I can feel you there.
Become so tired.
Again! I've become so numb. I can feel you there. No? Once more. I've become so numb.
Louder!
Become so... Alright, that's beautiful. That's amazing. You guys are amazing. This is Numb by Linkin Park. Really hit that shit.
Everybody sing along with us!
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, let's go!
I'm tired of being if you want me to be. Feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, but under the pressure of walking in your shoes. Every step that I take is another mistake to you.
Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow.
Holding tightly, afraid to lose control.
shit, Tamenglong, you are amazing! God damn it. Whew. Tamenglong is a beautiful place, man. Let's go.
If you care enough, so shall you shine. What is labor and bleeding on holes and pain and brothers contemplating show the world on it come close and fall into me, fall into me, fall into me, fall into me. If you care enough, trust that you such amazing, so amazing!
Tamenglong, you guys are really great. We feel so good performing in front of you guys.
Alright, I think it's some time now to play Slipknot Any Slipknot fans in the house?
Any Slipknot fans in the house? I is the only thing that slowly stops the ache. But I made it fall, things I have to say. Jesus, it never ends, forks its way inside. If the pain goes on. So much hate. For this, I mention that I left behind this little fact. You cannot kill what you did not create. I gotta say what I gotta say, and then I swear I'll go away, but I cannot promise you enjoy the noise. I guess I'll save the best for last. My future seems like wanting hands. You left with me, cause you left me no choice. I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops the end. But it ain't I'm not gonna back out. Close it back together, I'll separate the skin from bone. Leave me all the pieces, then you can leave me alone. Tell me the reality, it's better than the dream. But I found out the hard way, that I get what I say. I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops the end. But it made a fall, things I have to take. She never works its way inside. If the pain goes on, I'm not gonna back out. Okay, so this is gonna be the last song for tonight. And this song is about to get released on 23rd of this month. Well, this one's called Desire.
Hey, check. All right, guys, we have time for one more song. And let's get done.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Tamenglong. It's been a great pleasure to be with you at this time. Thank you so much for inviting us. We love you all.
Tamenglong, let's take a photo together before we leave. Can we please take a picture together before Arugya leaves the stage? All right, here we go. All right, Tamenglong, we want to hear you scream. 1, 2, 3, scream! Thank you so goddamn much.
Check. Hello. Check. Thank you, Arogya. You rock the stage. You rock Tamenglong. Tamenglong fans are being energized tonight by your powerful and your intense sound. Thank you so much. We love you. We are looking forward to have you again in the years to come. Thank you, Arogya. Up next, we have results of the cycling competitions which is done before in the morning, and to give out the first state level Manipur Adventure and Mountain Biking Association organizing an urban downhill tournament during the 17th state level Lawrence Festival this morning. I would like to take this opportunity to invite our honorable MLA of Tamenglong, Sri Zanghiam Lungpanmai, to be on stage, along with respected Deputy Commissioner, None, IAS, Sri Joseph Paulin, to be on stage, and would like to invite Sri Timothy Tazuanangonmai, Chief Personal Officer, Northeast Frontier Railway, to be up on stage to hand over the prizes of the cycling competition. First prize goes to first state level MTB Urban Downhill Tournament conducted at Tamenglong during 17th state level Lawrence Festival 2022. First goes to Moirangthem Golar Singh. Moirangthem Golar Singh Kamaidona cycling car first lalokane, and these prizes will be handed over by our honorable MLA Sri Zanghiam Lungpanmai. I hope. Second prizes will be given out by our respected Deputy Commissioner of None, Sri Joseph Paulin, IAS. The first prize is given out. I signal ka hai, given out on signal. First goes to Moirangthem Golar Singh. The first prize will be given out by our honorable MLA, Tamenglong. Second prize will be given out by our Deputy Commissioner None, Sri Joseph Paulin IAS. And third prize will be given out by Sri Timothy Tazuanangonmai, Chief Personal Officer, Northeast Frontier Railway. That was the first prize for cycling competition. Second prize goes to Tokchom Tennyson. Will be given out by our respected Deputy Commissioner None. And in the meantime, I would like to invite our respected Superintendent of Police, Tamanglong Madam, to please be up on stage to hand over the Lone Women Rider Prize. That was second. Third goes to Shattermayum Jack. Cycling, third goes to Shattermayum Jack, which will be handed over by our respected Sir Timothy Tajonangonmai, Chief Personal Officer, Northeast Frontier Railway. And we have the Lone Women Rider. Tu may akat naka cycling sulamay mitong competitions ka. The Lone Women Rider, Urbashi Haumom, which will be given out by our respected Superintendent of Police, Tamanglong. And the 10 participants are to be handed over with a basket of oranges. Thank you, dignitaries, for handing over the prizes for the cycling winners. The cycling first state level urban downhill tournament is organized by Manipur Adventure and Mountain Biking Association, in short, MAMBA. 10 of the participants will be given out a token of love and appreciation for the participation in the cycling tournament conducted during 17th State Level Orange Festival 2022 at Tamanglong with a basket of oranges. Shall we all give them a round of applause once again for the winner and the participants together? Up next, we have all right. Yes, we have Milan Gangmai. Kama World Cup hai ni kai pani mi zang roi ka gan hai pai na chin na ba me kama Milan ro ni ka gan tai century mai la pati khong zang hoi e kama Milan Gang me khang ka gan ti la we kama hai ani ra mi noi lu son chui mi e khani platform ma zu kho swan na ba me e kom le na Matthew nang king sam lo kho Milan Gang mi tong lu khani mi long khau hai assistance nun ka goi ta right now World Cup final hai Matthew na zao nu khang assist sulap wo to me hai ko ma zang hoi to ngai ka gan hai tat na ba me ani khang minute ka sak kai nai na ba me ko bi zang roi World Cup zao khang roi World Cup final zao khang roi to na ba ma mi haiก็มา assist สุดเรานะบัมปุถะ World Cup ตรงข้างใต้มิลเลนเดอร์นั่นลูขัดไทยก็มาสอนเราปนี้ไก่จักมั่งไม่กันเขาลูขัดนะให้สอนเราปนี้มาเที่ยวนะวัวแรงแล้วไม่ต้องสุดเราปริโอ กระแปงกระแซงแห่งแต่นินเซียเรานะกระรอนะกระผมแต่ handle สุดท้ายเราปัวกระลำกิโตอ้อยเรานะก่อนขาดคำ problem ที่ไม่สุดเราปริโอ World Cup final ให้เจ้าสุยนะเจ้าคาง
อันนี้คนสำดาแล้วนะบ่แม่ district administration คันนี้นิวตรงMLA เบียทั้งรอยนะสลาวนะบ่แม่มีให้มาทิวนะแซมสำเราปนี้ไม่ไกลนะควงเราไม่ขังตะทวนกูorganizing team เบียทั้งรอยก็มามิลันกางไม่ตรงรูแฮงกิ้งสำเราแล้วนะฟุตบอลแต่เจ้าซุยนะแซมสำเราขอ this is มิลันกางมา on stage